Dear students, welcome to the video class of the chapter Definite Integration. Okay, now Brahmanad. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the fundamental of the definite integral and three properties, three elementary properties of the definite integration, that is integration of a to b f of x ds is equal to integration of a to b f of t dt. That is, the value of indefinite integration remains same if we change the variable. Okay. If second property is, if the upper limit lower limit interchange, the value of the indefinite integral is negative of the original indefinite integration. Third one is breaking property. If a less than c less than b, then integration a to b f of x ds is equal to a to c f of x ds integration plus integration of c to b f of x ds. Okay, this third property is, the third property is highly essential to integrate of the type of function, modulus function, greatest integer function, and some questions based on modulus functions solved in last class. Today we are going to discuss some more problems related to property elementary property 3, then after other properties and their applications. Now let's start some more problems of elementary property 3. Now evaluate 0 to 2 mod of x square plus 2x minus 3 ds. Solution is 0 to 2 mod of x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. Now we have to find the sign. So put this is equal to 0, put x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, and solve it, that is x square plus 3x minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So what happens here? X plus 3 minus 1 x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 1, and that is x plus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 1 are the critical points. Okay, now sign of here, this is sign of this is what is up lower limit, that is 0, and what is upper limit, that is 2. Okay, so minus 3 is not considered here because minus 3 not belongs to 0 to 2. Minus 3 not belongs to 0 to 2. So this is not considered. One limit is what? X is equal to 1. So this is 1. Okay, now we have to, this is sign of this. If this is coefficient of x square is positive, so this is plus sign. Okay, and coefficient of x square is positive, so plus sign, and this is minus sign. As previous we discussed in increasing and decreasing how to find the sign of an expression. Okay, so 0 to 1 it is minus, so put minus here. This is minus 0 to 1 x square plus 2x minus 3 dx plus what? 1 to 2, that is what? 1 to 2 x square plus 2x minus 3 into dx. Now integrate this. A minus of this is what? Minus of x square by 2 plus 2x square, this is x cube by 3, x cube by 3, okay, then 2x square by 2 minus 3x, and the limit is what? 0 to 1, clear? And then this is what? 1 to 2, okay, then 1 to 2 here, integrate this, x cube by 3 plus what? 2x square by 2 minus what? Minus 3x, and limit is what? 1 to 2, clear? This is equal to, so this 2 to cancel here, put upper limit, so that is minus of what? 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 3 divided by a minus 0 plus what is upper limit here? 2 cube money 8 by 3, 2 to cancel here, plus 4 minus 6, and minus of what? Put x is equal to 1 here, so 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 3. Now simplify this, okay, now simplify this, that is what? Minus of, this is minus 2, so LCM 3 here, okay, 1 minus 6, because 1 minus 2 equal to what? Minus 2 into 3 minus 6, plus LCM is what? 3 here, this is minus 2, 8 minus 6, okay, why? 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2, so minus 2 into 3 minus 6, and this is what? LCM is 1 by 3, that is 3, this is minus 2, so 1 minus 6 by 3. So after calculation, this is what? Minus plus 5 by 3, okay, and this is what? 2 by 3, and this is what? Minus plus 5 by 3. So LCM is what? LCM is equal to 3, 5 plus 2 plus, this is 5 plus 2 plus 5, 12. So answer is what? Answer is 4, okay, answer is 4. Now another question, this is 1 to 4, it is of mode of x minus 1 plus mode of x minus 2 plus mode of x minus 3. Solution is integration 1 to 4 mode of x minus 1 plus mode of x minus 2 plus mode of x minus 3 into dx. What is the critical point here? That is x minus 1 is equal to 0, critical points, so x is equal to 1 here, okay, x is equal to here, critical points, that is critical points is here x 1 2 3, so x minus 1 is equal to, this is what? X minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, like this, like x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, okay, this is the critical points. So sign, we have to sign, this is what? Lower limit is, this is 1, and upper limit is what? Upper limit is 4, so, and the critical point is what? 2 3 here, 2 and 3, okay. So this is f of x here, this is f of x for this region, 1 to 2, okay, this is positive, so x minus what? x minus 1 is positive, x minus 1. This is what? 1 to 2, that is minus of x minus 2, and this is minus of x minus 3. So in this interval, what happens here? That is f of x is equal to, this is equal to x minus x cancel. Okay, so x minus 1 minus x plus 2 minus x plus 3. What is the value of x here? This is plus x minus x cancel. Okay, if it is not visible, this is what? This is in this interval, that is for x belongs to what? 1 to 2, x belongs to 1 to 2. Okay, x belongs to 1 to 2, x belongs to 1 to, that is what happens here? This is, that implies this is x minus 1 and this is minus of x minus 1, x minus 2, and this is what? Minus of x minus 3. So that implies x minus 1 minus x plus 2 minus x plus 3. Minus x plus x goes cancel. This is what? This is 5 minus 1. 2 plus 3, 5 minus 1. So 4 minus x. This is equal to what? 4 minus x. Okay. Similarly, for x belongs to 2 to 3 implies what? The value of the function. This is x minus 1 is positive. This is 2 to 3 means what? Positive x minus 2, and this is what? Minus of x minus 3. That implies what here? That is x minus 1 plus x minus 2 minus x plus 3. Okay, so plus x minus x cancel here. This implies what? X minus 2, and this is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus 3 cancel here. For x belongs to what? For x belongs to 3 to 4. 3 to 4, this is positive, x minus 1 is positive, x minus 1 is positive, so x minus 1 plus x minus 2 is positive, and finally this is 3 to 4. 3 to 4, this is also positive, plus x minus 3. Okay, so x minus x, this is x 3x, and minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 6. Okay, these are the value of the function in the intervals. Now for 1 to 2, what is the value of what is the function? This is 1 to 2. The function is what? 4 minus x dx plus 2 to 3. This is x dx plus 3 to 4. This is 3x minus 6 dx. Okay. Now the integration is what? This is 4x minus x square by 2, limit was, this is 1 to 2, plus x square by 2, this is limit 2 to 3, plus 3x square by 2 minus what? 6x, limit is 3 to 4. Okay. So put first upper limit 8, that is 2 square, 4 by 2. This is what? 4 by 2. So minus 2. Put x is equal to 1 here. So 4 minus 1 by 2. 4 minus 1 by 2. For this, and put upper limit here, that is 3 square by 2, 9 by 2. Minus what? Minus 2 square means 4 by 2, minus 2. Okay, minus 2. And here put, this is 4, 16 by 2, 16 by 2. So this is 16 by 2, 8, 24. Okay. Then this is what? Minus 24. Minus 24. 60, that is 16 by 2, 8. 8 into 3, 24, minus 6 into 4, 24. So this is what? 0. And put lower limit, that is lower limit here, that is 3 square. 9. 9 into 3, 27 by 2. Okay. 27 by 2. 27 by 2. 27 by 2 minus what? 18. Again recheck. Put first upper limit 8, and this is what? 8 minus, put upper limit 8 minus 2 square by 2. Correct for this. And this is what? 0 minus this sum. So this is equal to 6. 6 minus 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 9 by 2 plus what? Minus 2, and this is minus 27 by 2, and this is what? 18. So calculate this. This is what? 18. This is 18, and this is 2. 20. Okay. So this is 18, and this is 6, 24. 24 minus what? This is cancel. Okay. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, this cancel, and this is what? 18. 18 plus what? 18 plus half plus 9 by 2 minus 27 by 8. Okay, calculating this result. Now this calculation, another way you can calculate this. Another way to calculate this is what? For better understanding, you do like this. What is here? That is 4. Okay, 4 into 2, 8 minus what? 8, and this is 4 square by 2. Okay, 8, this is what? 4 square by 2, that is minus 2. So 6, this is 6, and okay, 8 minus what? 4 square by 2, that is 6, and put x is equal to 1 here. 4 minus 1 by 2. Okay, that is what? This is minus, put x is equal to 1, 4, and this is what? Minus 1 by 2. 4 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so, and finally put this 3 square means 9. 9 by 2 minus what? 2 square by 4 square, 4 square by 2. Okay, and this is what? 16. 16, that is what? 16, 3 into 16 by 2 minus what? 24. Okay, then this is what? Minus, this is what? 27 by 2 minus what? 18. Minus 18. Okay, this is 5 by, this 6 minus 1 by 2, this is 5 by what? 6 minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is 5 by 2, and this is what? 4, 8 minus 6 here, minus 4 minus this. So after simplification we get here, so 6 minus 4, that is 2 plus 1 by 2, this is what 5 by 2, and this is what 48 minus 48, so this is 0, this is 0, and this is what 27 minus 36, that is minus 1 plus 9 by 2. So this is 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus 9 by 2. So final answer is 19 by 2. This is final answer. Okay. Then this is another question, 0 to 2 pi mode of sin x ds. Solution is 0 to 2 pi mode of sin x dx. Now find the sin of 0 to 2 pi. Sin x is equal to 0. Okay, so put sin x is equal to 0. So x is equal to what? N pi. N is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, n equal to 1, x is equal to what? Pi. N equal to x is equal to 2 pi. So the sign is what? This is 0 and this is what? 2 pi. Okay, and this is pi. AST, according to AST rule, this is sin positive, sin x positive, and this is sin x positive, and this sin x negative, negative, sin x negative. Okay, so 0 to pi, this is what? Plus. 0 to pi, this is 0 and this is pi. The sin x is plus and this is sin x is negative, sin x is negative, so this is minus. So first bracket 0 to pi plus pi to 2 pi. So this is equal to integration of what? 0 to plus sign here, so 0 to pi sin x dx, and this is minus sin x, so pi to 2 pi sin x dx. Okay, the integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x, so limit is what? 0 to pi, and this is what? Minus cos x, so this will be plus cos x, limit is what? Pi to 2 pi. Now apply minus cos pi, that is cos pi is equal to minus 1, cos 0 is equal to what? 0. Cos 0 equal to 1, so minus 1. Here cos 2 pi is equal to 0 and cos pi is equal to what? Cos pi is equal to minus 1. So minus of minus 1, this is plus 1, right? Minus of minus 1, this is plus 1. So this is equal to minus 2. Okay, minus 2. This is what? Sorry, this is cos 2 pi means what? 1. So 2 plus 2, this is equal to 4. 4 is answer. First cos pi minus 1 minus cos 0 minus 1. Then cos 2 pi 1 minus cos pi means minus of minus 1 plus 1. So minus 2 agar minus is plus 2 here, 2 plus 2, that is 4. This is answer. Another question, evaluate 0 to 2 pi mode of cos x. Okay, so solution is 0 to 2 pi mode of cos x dx. Okay, so put cos x is equal to 0, cos x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Now n is equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 2. N equal to 1, x is equal to 3 pi by 2. Okay, if n is equal to 2, this is equal to what? 5 pi by 2 means greater than 2 pi. 5 by 2 means greater than 5 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2 means greater than 2, so it is not required. Okay, that is here the lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is 2 pi, and this is what? Pi by 2, and this is 3 pi by 2. This is 3 pi by 2. Now according to this AST's rule, this is 0, this is pi by 2, and this is pi, and this is 3 pi by 2, this is 2 pi. Clear? So this is cos x positive, cos x positive, and where cos x positive, this is also cos x positive, this is cos x negative and cos x negative, okay, cos x negative, and this is cos x positive. This is the AST rule. So 0 to pi by 2, then pi by 2 to what? 0 to pi by 2, then pi by 2 to 3 by 2, same sign, okay, same sign, and this is equal to what? 3 pi by 2 2 pi, again plus sign. So the interval is what? This is plus and this is what? Minus, okay, 3 pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 minus, and this is plus. So this is 0 to 2 pi, here to what? 0 to 2 pi cos x, and here minus sign, so put minus sign. This is pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 cos x, minus sign, and this is plus sign, 3 pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. This is cos x. Okay. Now, what is integration of cos x? That is sin x. Limit is what? 0 to 2 pi, and minus at sin x. Limit is what? Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, and this is sin x. The limit is what? 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Okay. Sin 2 pi 0, sin 0 0, this is 0. Then sin 3 pi by 2, this is minus 1, and minus sin pi by 2, minus 1. Then what is here? Sin 2 pi 0 and minus sin 3 pi by 2, so minus 1. Okay, correct. This is sin 2 pi minus sin 0, and this is what? Sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1, and this is minus 1, and this is what? Sin 3 pi by, this sin 2 pi 0, and this is minus 1. Okay, so putting this value, we calculate the definite integral. This is what? First thing is 0 to pi by 2, sorry, this is 0 to pi by 2, correct? 0 to pi by 2. So first is 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, and then is what? Pi by 2 to pi by 2, pi by 2 3 by 2, then this is, so this is pi by 2, this is sin pi by 2 means what? 1 minus, this is 0, sin 0 0. So the answer is what? 1. This is plus 2, and this is 1. So answer is 4. 4 is the answer. Okay. This is 0 to pi by 2. So plus sign. Then minus pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 here. 3 pi by 2 here. Plus 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Okay. First 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to 3 by 2 minus sign, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi plus sign. Then calculate, we get 4 is the answer. Now concept about the greatest integer function, bracket box, greatest fundamentals of greatest integer function, fundamentals of greatest integer function. This is read as bracketed x. Okay, this is bracketed x. Okay, this is bracketed x. So this is greatest integer function, that is bracketed x is equal to a nearest integer not greater than x, a nearest integer not greater than x. For example, suppose this is integer 2. This is equal to 2. 2.1. The nearest integer which is less than 2.1, that is 2.9. The nearest integer but less than 2.9. So 2.9 to less than integer कौन अच्छी nearest 2 अच्छी. Similarly minus 1.5 रो nearest integer की अच्छी ताऊ less हबो minus 2. minus 1.1 minus 2. Okay. 0.5 तार nearest integer 8 सा नंबर अच्छी 0. 1.2 0.2 suppose 0 0.2 0.2 0 0.9 also 0. From this conclusion, from this example we conclude that bracketed x is equal to suppose dash if minus 3 less than equal to x less than minus 2. This is minus 3. minus 3 to minus 2 भितर मतलब नबी minus 2.5 नबी तो minus 3 आसियो. Suppose bracketed x is equal to dash if minus 2 less than x less than what? minus 1. This is minus 2. And this is equal to minus if a dash if minus 1 less than x less than 0. This is minus 1. And this is equal to what? If 0 less than x less than 1, 0. And this is equal to what? If 1 less than equal to x less than 2. This is 1. And this is equal to if 2 less than x less than 3. This is 2. This is the properties of the greatest integer function. And okay, now problem related to definite integral problem related to greatest integer function. Okay, definite integral problem based on greatest integer function. So evaluate 0 to 4 bracketed x dx. तो फास्ट आम ब्रेक करवा 0 to 4 भितर केते इंटीजर पॉसिबल हो पारिबो. ओके 0 to 4 भितर केते इंटीजर पॉसिबल हो सेटा ब्रेक करिया पड़ियो. तो 0 to सॉल्यूशन 0 4 ब्रैकेटेड x dx. सो 0 to 4 भितर केतरा इंटीजर हो पारिबो. 0 to 4 भितर 0 हो पारिबो गोटे 0 to 1 हला 0 to 4 x is equal to 0 अच्छी x is equal to 4 अच्छी. ए भितर कौन इंटीजर हो पारिबो ना x is equal to 1 आसो x is equal to 2 आसो x is equal to 3 आसो. ओके तो 0 to 4 भितर कौन इंटीजर हो पारिबो इंटीजर्स इंटीजर्स फ्रॉम 0 to 4 that is 0 1 2 3 and this is 4. Okay 0 to 4. So break this. First limit is what? And this is 0 and this is 4. The integers between this 1 2 3. Okay 1 2 3 integers. So 0 to 1 bracketed x dx plus what? 1 to 2 bracketed x dx. Okay then 2 to 3 bracketed x dx plus what? 3 to 4 bracketed x ds. जस्ट पूर्व मुझे कही 0 to 1 भितर ब्रैकेटेड x वैल्यू के 0 0 dx 0 to 1 1 to 2 भितर ब्रैकेटेड x वैल्यू के 1 हम तो 1 to 2 है 1 dx 2 to 3 भितर के ब्रैकेटेड x 2 dx लो एलिमेंट हो एंड 3 to 4 भितर के 3 to 4 भितर 3 dx. So this is equal to 0 and this is x limit is what? 1 to 2. This is 2x limit is what? 2 to 3 2 to 3 and this is 3s, limit is what? 3 to 4. So this is 2 minus 1 plus 2 into 3 minus 2 plus 3. This is equal to what? This is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 6. 6 is the answer. तो कौन ऑब्जर्व कले ना 0 to 4 देथिला ब्रैकेट x देथिला आमे 1 plus 2 plus 3 आसिला. Similarly note note 0 to n bracketed x dx is equal to what? तो 4 देले 1 plus 2 plus 3 पर जाउची, n देले that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to dot what? n minus 1. Okay, so this is formula is what? n minus 1 into n by 2. This is formula. 0 to n bracketed x dx is equal to what? n minus 1 into n by 2. Okay, this is the formula. One example. Suppose 0 to 15 bracketed x dx is equal to dash. Apply the formula. Here n is equal to what? Here n is equal to 15. So formula is what? n minus 1 into n by 2. So 14 into 15 by 2. Then this is 105. This is answer. Okay, this is the answer. Now more questions related to the greatest integer function. One question, 0 to 2 bracketed x square dx. Solution, 0 to 2 bracketed x square dx. 0 to 2 भितर x बदल में कौन पुट कले इंटीजर हम से इम्पोर्टेंट. तो x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू सपोज n है दरकार. ओके, x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू n है. सो x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? रूट n. x इज इक्वल टू रूट n. सो n इज इक्वल टू 0, x इज इक्वल टू 0. n इक्वल टू 1, x इज इक्वल टू 1. n इक्वल टू 2, x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? रूट 2. देखो x जार रूट 2 पके दे, रूट 2 रो स्क्वायर के तो 2 ही होछ. सो n इज इक्वल टू सपोज 3, तो x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? रूट 3. n इक्वल टू 4, x इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? अप टू ए लेवल आस होते हरच. आठ कमी पारे बेले बेले न इक्वल हो पारे. बुझी पारलो? ए एलिमेंट भीतर रहिबो. जदि कमी जाउची, कमी गले मध्य अपर लिमिट लिखिया पड़ो. तो कौन फास्ट है ना 0 to 1 लिखा. तापर केते 1 to 1 by रूट 2 लिखा. रूट 2 to रूट 3 लिखा. एंड रूट 3 to 2 पर लिखा. यहाँ हूँ तार प्रोसेस. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट? 0 to what? 0 to 1. जदि 0 to 1 एट 0 पकड़े केते हो? 0 ही हो. 0 dx प्लस 1 to 2 एट 1 पकड़े केते? 1 dx. ओके, प्लस 1 to रूट 2 है रूट 2. तो प्लस के तो होची देखो ये रहूनी ये. तो एपट लिखि दूची, एट लिखि दूची. तो फर्स्ट होची 0 to केते? 1. 0 to 1 लो एलिमेंट पको ये यूज कले केते होची? 0 होची. 0 dx. तापर कौन करिवो? 1 to रूट 2. 1 to रूट 2. 8 लो एलिमेंट यूज करो. लो एलिमेंट मान केते? 1 अच्छी. सो 1 dx. तापर रूट 2 2 केते? रूट 3. 8 रूट 2 अप्लाई करो. रूट 2 अप्लाई रूट 2 स्क्वायर केते? 2 हो. 2 dx. ओके, तापर कौन अप्लाई करिवो? 8 अप्लाई करिवो. देन रूट 2 to रूट 3 है. रूट 3 to 2. रूट 3 to 2. लो लिमिट अप्लाई करो 3 dx तो आंसर का केता होची ना फर्स्ट 0 होला एड x लिमिट टा केते 1 to √2 एड 2x लिमिट टा √2 टू केते √3 एड 3x लिमिट टा होची √3 to 2 तो दिस इज √2 minus 1 2 into what √3 minus √2 then and this is what 3 2 minus √3 2 minus √3 okay 2 minus √3 so √2 minus 1 plus 2 √3 minus 2 √2 and 6 minus 3 √3 so this is what this is 5 this is 5 plus 2 √3 minus √2 2 √3 and this is what 6 plus minus 1 that is 5 this is 2 minus √3 minus 3 so minus √3 and this is what minus √2 minus √2 so this is 5 minus 1 6 minus 1 5 and 3 √3 minus plus 2 √3 minus √3 minus 2 √2 plus √2 this is answer. Then another question related to this type, evaluate 0 to 6 integration 0 to 6 bracketed root x. Solution is 0 to 6 bracketed root x dx. Okay, so put here bracketed x should be integer, bracketed root x should be integer. x बदल रे कौन पुट कले इंटीजर आसियो तमे 0 to 6 भितर कौन कौन स्क्वायर रूट बाहर अच्छी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर दैट इज 1 0 अच्छी 1 अच्छी 4 अच्छी आउ के नहीं तो आम टेक्निक जो जना पड़नी कौन हवा दरकार रूट एक्स इज इक्वल टू इंटीजर suppose root x is equal to suppose n so x square is equal to what x is equal to what x is equal to n square okay so n is equal to 0 x is equal to 0 n equal to 1 x is equal to 1 n equal to 2 x is equal to what 4 n is equal to 3 x is equal to what 9 this is reject because 0 to 6 अपर लिमिट केते अछि 6 अछि ताडो कम इक्वल हे पारे लेस देन इक्वल हे पारे 4 पन जीवो जते 3 नै जाउछ 9 नै होछ अपर लिमिट रो क्रॉस करि जाउछ तो हेटा हे परिबोनी तो आमे फास्ट करबा 0 to 1 आम लिमिट ता केते अछि आम लिमिट अछि फास्ट 0 तापर लास्ट के अछि फास्ट लिमिट 0 अछि तापर लास्ट केते अछि 6 अछि ए भीतर वैल्यू केते आसला 1 आसला 4 आसला तो आम फास्ट 0 to 1 नबा 1 to 4 नबा 4 to 6 नबा एमती जीव तो लिमिट ए अनुसार ब्रेक हम तो ये कौन हो देख लिमिट 0 to 1 ये लिख 0 to 1 0 to 1 हेले ए लो लिमिट पकई दियो 0 dx तापर 1 to केते अछि 1 to 4 अछि ए लो लिमिट पकई दियो केते होची रूट ओवर 1 मींस 1 dx तापर 4 to what 4 to 6 अछि एट 4 पकई दियो रूट x जगह रे माने रूट 4 हैला 2 आसियो 2 dx तो दिस इज 0 and this is x limit is what 1 to 4 2 into x limit is what 4 to 6 so this is equal to what 4 minus 1 plus 2 into 6 minus 4 this is 3 and this is 2 into what 2 so that is 3 plus 4 7 is answer okay now another question. Evaluate 0 to 1 3s dx. Okay, so एटी 3s x जगह केते पकले 0 to 1 भितर इंटीजर आसो तो हम लिखिबा 3x is equal to what? Integer. 3x is integer. So x, that is 3x is equal to what? N. X is equal to what? N by 3. If n is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. n equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 3. n equal to 2, x is equal to 2 by 3. n equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 3, that is 1. तो आमर केते आसला ना 0 पास लास्ट होची 1 ए भितर के 1 by 3 आसला 2 by 3 आसला तो 0 to 1 by 3 गोटे 1 by 3 to 2 by 3 गोटे 2 by 3 to 1 गोटे एठी ब्रेक करवा से अनुसार दिस इज सॉल्यूशन. Solution is what? 0 to 1 to root 3x bracketed, sorry, 3x bracketed dx. So write the limits. हमें कौन करे गोटे लिमिट 0 to 3, 0 to 1 by 3, 0 to 1 by 3 लिखिली लोअर लिमिट एट पकेबी 0. ओके 0 पकेले 0 होची dx प्लस केते अछि 1 by 3 to 1 by 3 to 2 by 3 अछि आउ 3 x जगह रे लोअर लिमिट टा केते 1 by 3 1 by 3 3 into 1 by 3 केते होछि 1 होछि. सो 1 dx हला तापरे 2 by 3 2 केते अछि लास्ट 1 अछि 2 by 3 पके दियो एटी 2 by 3 3 3 कैंसिल 2 अछि 2 dx. ओके सो this is equal to 0 and this is x 1 by 3 to 2 by 3 plus 2x 1 by 3 to 2 by 3. So this is equal to what? 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 into 2 by 3. Sorry, this is what? 2. This is 1. This is 1. So 1 minus 1 by, this is 2 by 3. Okay. 2 by 3. So 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, 1 by 3, that is what? 1 by 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 2. Okay. 2x here. 1 to 2 by 3 to 1. 2 into 1 minus 2 by 3. 2 3 minus 2. That is 1. So this is 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 3 by 3, that is 3 by 3 is equal to 1. Okay, 1 is the answer. Now another question. Evaluate 0 to 7 x by 3. 0 to 7 x by 3. Okay. 0 to 7 x by 3. So solution is 0 to 7 x by 3 dx. एटा इंटीजर है दरकार x by 3 is equal to integer. Okay, this is the concept. So x by 3 is equal to, suppose n, x is equal to 3n. n is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. n equal to 1, x is equal to 3. n equal to 2, x is equal to 6. n equal to 3, x is what? 9. So this is the required. So our first केते अछि 0 अछि तापर के आसला 3 आसला तापर के आसला 6 आसला लास्ट लिमिट केते अछि अपर लिमिट 7 अछि तो 0 to 3 गोटे जीवो 3 to 6 हबो 6 to 7 हबो तो एटा कोन लिखि परियो दैट इज 0 to 3 लोअर लिमिट पके दियो 0 by 3 0 तापर के 3 to 6 लोअर लिमिट पके दियो 3 by 3 1 होची 1 dx तापर 6 to सॉरी 3 to 6 हां 6 to 7 अछि एटी 6 पर लोअर लिमिट 6 पके दियो 6 by 3 to 2 dx. So this is equal to 0. Okay, 0 and this is equal to what? X. This is x limit 3 to 6, 2 into x limit 6 to 7. Okay, so this is equal to what? 6 minus 3 and 2 into 7 minus 6. This is 3 plus 2 into what? 2. 3, 7 minus 6, 1. 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2. This is equal to 5. So answer is 5. Okay. Another questions. Evaluate 0 to 1.5 x square dx. Okay. So that is solution is 0 to 1.5 x square bracketed dx. Okay, so x square is equal to integer, x square is equal to n suppose. So x is equal to what? Root n is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, n equal to 1, x is equal to 1, n equal to 2, x is equal to root 2. Root 2 belongs to what? Root 2 belongs to 0 to 1.5. Root 2 less than what? 1.5. Root 2 less than 1.5. So this is 0 and this is 1 and root 2 then 1.5. 0 to 1 gote 1 to 1 by 1 to root 2 gote root 2 1 by 5 gote. तो एमती हम आमर ब्रेकिंग टा सब इंटरवल रे. तो 0 to 1 लोअर लिमिट पकई दियो 0 dx. तापरे 1 to root 2 लोअर लिमिट पकई दियो 1 dx. तापरे root 2 to 1.5 ए root 2 पकई दियो 2 dx. तो केते होची एटा 0 हला ए x हला 1 to root by 1 upper limit root 2 lower limit 1 2x upper limit what 1.5 lower limit root 2. So this is root 2 minus 1 plus 2 into 1.5 minus root 2. Okay, so root 2 minus 1 plus what 3 minus 2 root 2. So that is 2 and this is what minus root 2. 2 minus root 2 is answer. Okay, 2 minus root 2 is answer. These are the properties, problem based the elementary properties. Now some more properties, that is 1 2 3 property is over. Now property number 4. Property number 4. Property number 4. Property number 4. Now property number 4. Property 4. Integration a to b f of x dx is equal to what? Integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. This is property number 4. Now proof of the property number 4. Proof. Okay, RHS. Integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Okay, this is the right hand side of the, and let's put a plus b minus x is equal to t. Okay, so differentiate minus 1 dt by dx. So ds is equal to minus dt. When x is equal to a, x is equal to a, t is equal to what? A plus b minus a, t equal to b. When x is equal to b, t equal to a. So limit is what? That is b to a f of t into minus dt. So this is equal to what? Minus b to a f of t dt. Okay, so this b to a, or if change the limit, this is what, integration a to b f of t dt. By property 1, this is equal to, by property 1, a to b f of t dt is equal to a to b f of x ds by property 1. This is proved. Now some problems based on property 4. Now property 5 we can do similar to property 4. Property 5. Okay, this is 0 to a f of x ds. This is very important property. Okay, आमे कौन पढ़ते ना लोअर लिमिट प्लस अपर लिमिट माइनस एक्स. लोअर लिमिट 0, तो यहाँ कौन हो 0 टू ए लोअर लिमिट 0 प्लस ए माइनस एक्स, सो ए माइनस एक्स इंटू डी एक्स. ओके, तो प्रॉपर्टी 4 and 5 similarly prove. This is put a minus x is equal to t. We can prove, put a proof. This is the property number what? Property number 5. Similarly, you can prove property number 5. Put a minus x is equal to t. So some problems. One example, one or two example problems. And 0 to pi by 2, suppose, or property based on property based on property, problem based on property 4. This is what? Okay, this is the question. That is solution. Let I is equal to what? Pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 plus root over 10x. Root 10x means sin x by cos x, so root over dx. That is equal to what? Pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 root cos x is LCM by root over what? Cos x plus sin x. Root over by property 4. What is property 4? That is by property 4, a, this is a and this is b. Apply property 4. Which property? That is equal to what? Pi by 6 to pi by 3. This is root over sin a, pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x divided by, this is I is equal to, same concept here, cos, this is cos not sin, cos pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x plus root over what? Sin pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x into dx. So what happens here? That is cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. So I is equal to what? This is I. Okay, this is equation 1. So I is equal to what? I is equal to root over sin x, because this is 90, pi by 2 minus x. तो स्टेप लिख दो, sin pi by 2 minus x divided by root over, this is cos pi by 2 minus x, this is cos pi by 2 minus x plus this is root over sin pi by 2 minus x whole dx. So I is equal to what? That implies I is equal to integration of sin x root over divided by root over sin x plus root over cos x dx. This is equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. So 2y is equal to what? LCM same, root over sin x plus root over cos x. ऊपर मध्य कौन हम root over sin x plus root over cos x, pi by 6 to pi by 3, and this is dx. So cancel dx. 2i is equal to what? 2i is equal to x. Limit is pi by 6 to pi by 3. So answer is pi by 3 minus pi by 6. So pi by 6, 2i equal to, I is equal to what? I is equal to pi by 12. This is answer. Okay, this is answer. Then in next class we will do more questions and some shortcut formula. Okay, in next class we will do some more problems and shortcut formula. For 1 mark question, shortcut formula is highly essential to saving the time. Thank you. Have a nice day.